Welcome back to the channel. Now, it is being alleged and exposed by the mother of a friend of Buju Banton's young son who was recently announced to have passed away from unclarified circumstances. Now, it is said that this took place in Florida. And she says in her own words, I couldn't hear what she have to say, that she believes Buju Banton's son's life could have been saved if Buju Banton had taken the initiative. She says she go as far as to contact Buju Banton and the family to make them know the situation of Buju Banton's son, that he had mental issues and was homeless at the time. But she says nothing was done. I couldn't hear from her, and they will contain the reason, nation. Look and listen.
Thursday or Friday from my house. They pick up miles from my house. And I advised them, I said, and I really thought I was doing the right thing when I released him to them. I said, you need help. And they picked him up. And they did not take him to the hospital. I don't know what happened from the time I released him to them. Because I refused to let him walk in the streets. I said, I think it's better if you pick him up. Because it's a chance of you not marrying him if you go to the mental hospital. You understand? Pick up the youth. And I don't know what it is. Typical Jamaican people think. They come and fuck with him and argue with him, but they have a fight and he left. And that little boy left and go back on the street. Mind you, me give them to the youth to them. Me give him to them. Them pick him up, but watch them pick him up from my yard. Okay? You know, one nice truck. They were supposed to take him to the hospital. They already knew he was troubled. They knew he had issues. This is a kid who they said been in and out of juvie, been in and out of hospital. Buju's son. Buju, you send them to go pick up your son from wherever, New York. And you never bring your son home to Jamaica. You did not bring your son home to Jamaica. Use Buju. If you don't have the money, you could have borrowed it and get a one-way ticket for your son. To spare your son's life. You didn't do it. And you need to be held accountable for these kids. You understand? I gave this kid to them. They pick him up. And they did not do their due diligence. They knew the true variables about this kid. And they did not take him to the hospital. They did not take him to get help. You understand? And the kid go back, they release him back on the street. And the very time they release that kid, the kid get...
Click the link in the bio.
Now, of course, there are people that say why this lady forward on the media to come say them thing about Buju Banton. If she try to make it look away from Buju Banton. Now, truth be told, when the hear what she said, it sounds like she being the mother of a friend of the young Myri. She was genuinely concerned. She offered him a place to stay. You know what I mean? She contact him family. And I say, you know, we don't know if we don't know the situation where take place with him, but this is what happened. Now, that's played out in the media for years. Buju Banton's relationship with some of his children. As you know, the situation with him and Marcus played out in the media, and it never looked good. On no side, people never like to hear the things that Marcus that say about him father. Whether or not at the time you feel like him that expose him, or him that tell him truth, or him just try to clarify the situation. People never like it. People never like the things that Buju has said either, or that were alleged and exposed of Buju. Things that to this day are still brought up in certain conversations, in certain circles. Now, the other point I should point out, based on the situation we talk about, of course, she talk about Buju. But we see with a number of artists of themselves, whole heap of youth, but are now with the mothers of these children. And hence, not really have a connection or dead for them youth there as a father. I've often heard stories of children of celebrities where we are saying, yeah, man, a gold spoon. They're supposed to have everything what they want. Even though they being children of celebrities, those said celebrities either remarried or have a different family at the time. Yeah, I say, even though him not probably not live with him father, them supposed to have everything. I not live with him mother, them supposed to have everything. When we hear them give them for them version of the situation, and not normally that situation. Of course, another famous individual, see to the 50 Cent and Theme Son. 50 Cent and Theme Son situation played upon the media too. I was still not hearing nobody I talk about cause of it. But I guess based from this lady's statements, just being in the streets, you know what I mean, the mental issues, not safe. And of course, people want to know what lead to this. How it reached that point. Or one of our living legends in our reggae music, son, reached on the streets. Yeah, he's a son of age. Even in America, to the age that his son was at, he was considered as an adult. But we don't know about for the other legendary family, one of the other legendary families in a reggae music, the Marleys. It's like everybody. You know, the Marleys is either a part of the music industry or a part of the family dynamic or where them have a go on. Because you know, the Marleys involved in a whole heap of businesses. And keep in mind, a lot of the Marley siblings have different mothers. They are related by their father. And truth be told, people that are outraged for hear say a scenario like this happen to a Marley with the millions with the Marley them have. And while Buju Banton not being Marley, you know what I mean? At that status within reggae music, he must still one of the living legends in a reggae music. An artist said about reggae, dancehall, well dancehall first, then reggae, make him name in a both genres internationally, not just locally. Buju icon na music as well them that say. Buju them go to heights of music. I don't think there's a place in the world where you have fans of reggae and dancehall music that Buju Banton has not performed. Whether in a long time days or in recent times. Buju Banton famous. And I guess that's why I also have people who have mixed feelings to this lady's statements. You know what I mean? Situation take place. When she put it out, maybe this is out of this emotion. She just upset for no say, oh, she see him recently. You know what I mean? She reach out to the family and she hopes that the family with her, you know, do more in her fair eyes then. Maybe she just feel like them never do enough. Knowing say, oh, I butcher them and, you know, money should have been no objective. And that's true, but still not see it being a money reason why. Even though, you know, him out upon this, she said at the time, he was in the streets. We don't know if it's just a scenario where him just leave home. We don't know if it's a scenario where him had nowhere to go. We don't know if him just leave home. So I don't see it being a financial reason why this happened. Or why I'm in that situation. But who knows? I'm going to alone. I come talk about this. And this being something personal, maybe that's why Buju never really said nothing about it. You know, pan that depth. But seeing that this lady come make them statements, you know what I mean? Rat Nation PR might tell him, say, you know what I mean? He might, if he put out a statement, them being a management company, you know what I mean? Them have a PR team. So, them are probably want him talk about the situation and give some form of explanation. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.